What's up guys, welcome back to another of my channel. So today I'm going to draw a cloud. It's raining because in my town it's about to rain. So I think I'm just going to do like what's going to happen in the future. Okay, hopefully I get it right. Hopefully I don't get it right now. So first I'll just do like a simple one like here, and then the other one like here, then here. I'm not drawing any fairy thing. Okay, it does look like I'm drawing a fairy. I think I'm just gonna do the same. Okay, mine is really not so good. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, and now I'm gonna go like this. Okay, after that like a bit like a hat. Then I think I remember we had to put it like this, then like this, and like this. My pencil dropped. No! That is not good. Okay, good. Come on. Okay. Okay, wow, I think I did it okay. And then I'm gonna do a winky face, so maybe one giant thing, and then yeah, like this. Yes. Okay, and then since I said winky face, I'm gonna do this. So funny. Okay. Then sorry. Okay, so let me just put tiny of million. Then one big. Okay. Now I think I will need some help over here. Pencil. Okay, my pencil is coming. It's doing the jobby. Okay, and then yeah, just do the same thing. My sword, the same. Okay. Okay. Look at that, so cute. Okay, and then it's raindrops. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, it's a bit too thick. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. Okay, now it's the same. It's like the droplets of the rain. Little drops. Oh, okay. So then maybe just draw. Oh, so cute. Okay, so that's the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below Oh, I cannot comment already. Never mind, just subscribe. Bye. Say bye bye, Cloudy. Bye bye. I'm gonna rain on you. Haha. No, don't. Bye.